Alright, checking in at Hotel Thissio. We've just been greeted at the door. They came and carried our bags and they've got us some welcome drinks on arrival. Getting personally escorted.
It's from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's the price of your own. It's a la carte. We give you money and choice. You get whatever you want from 8 to 11. I think after I close the restaurant, I close this door from around 1 a.m.
Alright, this is a room tour of room 205 at our hotel. I'll just show you straight away the best part. So as soon as we walk in, this is our view. Straight out to the Acropolis. We've got a table and chair. You can feel the energy of all the people down here, but our view right here, we certainly can't complain about this view. Oh, there's people all out on the balconies. Alright, I'll show you a little bit inside the room now. So we've got our bed and our desk here. He just said there's complimentary water in there. When we came and arrived, the reception staff, Alex, he personally escorted us up to our room and explained everything, how the room works. We've got a cupboard, plenty of drawers in here, a hallway. He went over how the air conditioner works and how the room key works for us. So he's taken us through all of that. And then we've got the bathroom here. So a pretty big bathroom, the toilet, the shower. It's got the 2 shower heads there. And then you've got here the basin area. Looks like it's got some complimentary soaps, body lotions, etc. Toothbrushes, a makeup mirror, and then a big highlighted mirror here. So as far as the room goes, this is definitely the room to get in Greece. But I have to just take you back to that view one more time. And that's probably going to look even better at night. Just come back to the room now at night. Have a look at that view. It's all lit up now. It's about 9:30, 10 o'clock now. And it just looks pretty unbelievable. The fact that we can sit here in our room and have dinner with that view. And there's other ruins around the place as well that are all lit up and we can see. Morning everyone, we've just woken up after our first night at the hotel. We slept really well. You could hear a little bit of noise outside till about 1 a.m. and a little bit of noise in the hallway, but nothing compares to the view, so definitely no complaints on that. Had a pretty comfy night's sleep. We are going to head down to breakfast this morning, so breakfast is included in the hotel. So we're going to take you down, show you what we've got to eat, and I'll show you around the breakfast area. We've come down to breakfast. This is the breakfast area and they've given us a menu. So it's a la carte breakfast, so we can choose anything from this menu here. Pretty good variety of options. They've just gone and ordered a juice for us, or they're going to bring it over. They've offered coffee, they've given us water, and now we get to order and just wait.
So, sunny side up, this is what you do, sir. And sunny side up, cooked yolks.
Thanks for that.
Thank you.
That's good.
Cheers, enjoy.
Check out these breakfasts for an included breakfast. Fresh juice, eggs, bacon, toast, and salad. That was delicious, that breakfast. Absolutely delicious. Probably one of the best bacon and eggs I think I've ever had. I don't know if it's because they salt and peppered it properly or those extra flavours. There's a bit of cheese on it too. Really delicious. We're just relaxing here in the restaurant now. We're still the only ones in here. They've offered us if they want anything else, if we want to have anything else to eat. But we're quite satisfied with that because we do have a tour today. So we'll just finish off our drinks. planning on staying at this hotel, I just thought I'd show you how close the train station is. So this is the train station you would get off if you're coming from the airport. And if you were going to go to the airport, there's the train. It just says the airport express bus is $5.50. The metro is $9. We're going to catch the train tomorrow to the cruise port, and it's going to cost us €1.20. Get your tickets here. But the easiest reason, or the easiest way to get to the hotel, as soon as you come out the train station, you can almost see the hotel. It's about 400 meters away. So if you've got your suitcase, obviously you'd be walking on all the cobblestones, but it's really quite close, really convenient. You could do the airport taxi for €40, or you could do the train. You've got lots of options, but I'll take you, it's just going to lead straight to the hotel, this road. So the road just curves around here a little bit to the left, and you can see our hotel right at the top of the street there. This has taken about 1 minute so far, but I think by the time we get to the hotel, 3 or 4 minutes. When you are walking, if you just keep the Acropolis on your left, you can't go too wrong walking up to the hotel. And we have arrived at the hotel. That just took 3 minutes and 28 seconds to walk from the train station back to the hotel. The hotel said this is obviously their main entrance. It's open from 7:30 in the morning to 1 a.m. However, if you want to go out before 7:30 in the morning, or you do come home late after 1 a.m, you've got to use this secret door here. So your key pass will let you in this side door, and you can use this to come up the stairs to your room. So main door open from 7:30 in the morning to 1 a.m, and if you want to come home after 1 a.m or go out early, you've just got to use this side entrance, and it'll bring you up the stairs, or you could have still gone back to the lift. It brings you back into the hallway where all the rooms are. Thought it might be a good idea just to bring you back up to the rooftop in the morning when no one's up here, just to show you a little bit of. So this is all the bar area, all up here on this rooftop. Plenty of seating. It is tightly jam-packed, but obviously you'd want to get as many people as you can up here to see this view. If you want to sit out in the sun, there's plenty of seats out here. They do have the big large umbrellas if it gets too hot. Couch area with the nice flowers. But again, this is the reason you would come to this hotel, whether it's just to have a drink, stay a few days. The view is probably the best part about it. Let's take you downstairs for our very last breakfast here. Our last breakfast has arrived. I got a ham and cheese toastie, fruit salad, and Dan's stuck with the eggs. So our very last breakfast here at this hotel. Alright, it's now time that we wrap up our hotel video. So this hotel has been great from the minute we checked in, where we were greeted at the door. So we got out the taxi, asked to sit down, got given a welcome drink. All our bags were taken upstairs. We were able to sit down and relax while he checked us all in. Getting taken up to our room, or escorted up there, shown all around the room, explained the whole facility here at the hotel, when to come in and out, how breakfast works. Breakfast has probably been one of the biggest highlights. So instead of it being one of those cheap, dodgy buffet breakfasts with the cheapest food you could possibly have an a la carte breakfast, order what you want from the menu, have these amazing views again while you're sitting here. And the customer service, 10 out of 10. I can't fault them on the customer service here. The room's been great, the facilities all around, and the location here, so close to the train station, so close to everything you want to walk around. We haven't caught any form of public transport to everything that we've wanted to go to in the last few days. So we've had 3 nights here. We've loved it. I'll put the cost just down the bottom of how much we spent on this per night, just so that you're aware. We did book it about 6 months ago, so obviously the prices may change. But from this standpoint, I would definitely come back to this hotel again if we were ever to return. So we'll see you at our next hotel.